follow the steps on how to change the crosshair brush to a circle in Photoshop. Let's start by creating a new document. As a beginner, sometimes many things still make you confused. One of them, when you activate the brush, it only displays the crossbar cursor. This may make you uncomfortable. To return it to the circle, you just need to press the caps lock key. And now you can adjust the size freely. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.